Baby, it's all lovely. I know it's nothing better. Yeah.
What's up, MP Nation? It's Pre.
And mommy.
And y'all know how we rockin' to infinity
And beyond.
Before we get into this, I need y'all to give me a fat thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you're not a part of the MP Nation already.
And don't forget to click that bell. Turn on that post notification to get notified what?
Every time we drop some heat.
Because we coming with heat all
2022.
But y'all, today and right now, we are currently on our way to the Kia dealership. And we are getting a new car. Bree currently has a 2017 Kia Soul. It's silver. She's had a Patron, that's what we named her, Patron, for about, what, 2, maybe 3 years? I don't really know exactly.
I don't know. It's been a minute, though.
But a while back when she came to get some new brakes and everything on her car here in Charlotte, they messaged her and was like, you know, we want to buy your car. Are you willing to sell it or trade it in, whatever? They sent her a couple of options, but we didn't get to come, you know, look at them in person until now. And so she told them that, yeah, she's willing to sell it to them or whatever. So now we're going to look at what they show her via the phone, pick out options, whatever, and we'll be leaving with the new car.
So I'm excited, y'all. I know Monty's excited. We were actually thinking about getting a new vehicle soon, and honestly probably still will get a new vehicle soon. You know, this is just an upgrade, just to turn around and do an even better upgrade, really.
Yeah, we like Patron though. She a little box square car if y'all don't know what a Kia Soul is, but she go a little fast. She got a little sports mode and everything, so we're gonna miss her.
Yeah, we will.
But once we get to the dealership and get everything, you know, check, dot our I's and cross our T's or whatever, then we'll come back to y'all. She just signed her papers. Yes, sir. We are in the Planet Kia Charlotte.
I know they want to see it.
She says she know y'all want to see it.
I know you want to see it.
Do it again.
I know you want to see it.
Oh boy. So we're gonna show y'all the car when we get back outside. We went for a test drive and everything. It's good. Right?
Did you love it? Because I love it. That's all that matters. As long as we both love it.
So y'all, the deal is sealed. We haven't came up with a name yet, but this is her or him. We don't know. How you feeling?
Hey, how you feeling? It's our vehicle, girl. Go show them the inside.
Okay, y'all, let's go. So, we getting in, right?
Okay.
Crank it up. Right.
Yeah. Oh, show them this. This right
They
here.
got a wireless charger down there that is real convenient, you know. AirPlay, what is it called for the iPhone when you plug it in? Apple Play, whatever. I don't know. Function. And got the little navigation thing, of course. This is kind of like the old one, not really. It's just the screen is a little wider, but it's not as big. as the
Yeah,
Kia Soul.
it is water though.
It's another push start like the last car we had.
We can start this vehicle though.
Yeah, with the
Before
key.
getting in it. Honestly, we can control it with our phone.
Yeah, there's an app for it, so you can crank it up, control it with your phone. It's a push start. You can start it before you get in it with this button right here. Just the back seats. It has sports mode, and she loves to drive on sports mode. The Kia Soul has sports mode also. There's a sunroof, right? And that's it. How about the trunk? Oh. Let's ride. Free.
Yo, yo, yo. What's up, MP Nation? Let them see your face. See how excited you are about this. Okay. Do it one more time. Run it back. Okay.
You get on my nerves.
Bobblehead.
Now we finna put the stuff that we had over there in here. Now let me show y'all the other car, because y'all didn't never see that one. This is the Kia Soul. It's still a nice car. This is a little boxy. See? Oh, everything is official. We have Pri with the key.
Shout out to our boy Melvis. Got anything to say to MP Nation?
Hey, MP Nation. If you guys are in need of a car, come on down to Play the Kia here, Charlotte, North Carolina, 47 East Independence Boulevard. Ask for me and I'll get you a deal on one of these babies.
Ask for Melvis, y'all. He hooked us up.
All right.
Thanks, Melvis. You have a good day, man.
Thank you. So, guys, we're in our new baby.
And I knew Will.
Hey. My Dougie. She's like my All right, y'all. Do your best.
Be your best.
We out.
Peace.